Today we show you how to prepare delicious rigatoni with tuna and shrimp, a recipe that brings the flavors of the sea directly to the table. Ingredients: 320 grams of rigatoni, 160 grams of tuna in oil, 150 grams of peeled shrimp, 2 cloves of garlic, 200 milliliters of tomato puree, extra virgin olive oil, salt, fresh parsley, 50 milliliters of white wine, chili pepper, breadcrumbs, and grated lemon zest, all optional. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook the rigatoni according to the package instructions for al dente pasta. The ideal proportions are 10 grams of salt and 1 liter of water for every 100 grams of pasta. While the pasta is cooking, rinse the shrimp under cold running water and pat them dry with paper towels. If using frozen shrimp, make sure they are completely thawed. Finely chop the fresh parsley and set it aside for the final garnish. In a large pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over medium heat and add the garlic cloves. Lightly brown them, then remove them if you prefer a milder flavor. Add the shrimp to the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they turn pink. If you like, deglaze with the white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Add the drained tuna, crumbling it slightly with a wooden spoon as you stir to distribute it evenly. Add the tomato puree, and if you like a spicy touch, the chili pepper. Adjust with salt and let it cook over medium-low heat for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Transfer the drained rigatoni to the pan with the sauce, tossing the pasta for 2 to 3 minutes. Add some cooking water if necessary to achieve a creamy consistency. Turn off the heat and garnish with finely chopped fresh parsley. If you wish, you can add a crunchy note with toasted breadcrumbs or a grating of lemon zest. Serve the rigatoni hot and enjoy the dish. Bon appétit! For an additional touch, you might consider finishing the dish with a sprinkle of breadcrumbs toasted in a pan with a drizzle of oil and garlic to add crunch, or a grating of lemon zest to enhance the freshness.